Hi, I'm Abhirami, Coimbatore. People know me as Abhi or Abhi, and I work as a technical support engineer here at GSC. I started at GSC in 2019, and I have a master's in manufacturing engineering. I did my master's in Bradley University, Peoria, Illinois, and my undergraduate education was from India. I have 10 years of manufacturing industry experience and around 4 years of teaching experience as a technology education teacher. Some of my industry experience include water pump manufacturing industry, and I also worked in quality control as a quality assurance engineer. My definition of quality is the ability to meet and exceed expectations. I see this in my job as providing prompt technical support and arriving at a solution in the shortest possible time for customer issues. Most of my time is spent on troubleshooting your issues, researching and doing some learning to fill any knowledge gaps for an issue, while rest of the day is mostly spent on upskilling and creating technical documentation. Now, another aspect of our job is creating technical blogs, videos, and GSC technical documents. We find these technical documents are helpful for customers, especially when they encounter the same issue in the future. I'm a total nerd and I love troubleshooting SOLIDWORKS and specifically PDM. Apart from that, being able to play a part, however small, in helping customers achieve their goals by troubleshooting and resolving their issues quickly is very exciting and satisfying for me as well.